Goodwill brings to you the market update dated January 20th, 2023. For the development in the corporate segment, we have Air India Limited order for as many as 500 aircraft from Airbus SE and Boeing Company is being held up by an impasse with engine makers powering the 737 MAX, dragging out what stands to be one of the biggest single purchases in civil aviation history. CFM International, the General Electric Company and Safran SA joint venture, is reluctant to offer big discounts on engines and maintenance that typically accompany mega orders. The deadlock centers on the hourly rates. Air India has spent months negotiating an order of about 400 narrowbody and 100 widebody jets that would allow the country's flag carrier to upgrade service and reliability. After failing to clinch an accord by the end of last year, a deal could now be announced as soon as this month. Vedanta Limited on January 19 said its board has approved the proposed sale of its Zinc International assets held by Zinc Ventures to a subsidiary of Hindustan Zinc Limited for a cash consideration of $2,981 million. Subject to receipt of timely regulatory approvals, the transaction is expected to be completed in a phased manner over a period of around 18 months, the company noted, adding that the agreements will be executed subsequent to shareholders' approval. Jubilant Foodworks January 19 informed the stock exchanges that it plans to open 250 stores for Domino's India and 40 to 50 stores of American Fried Chicken brand, Popeyes in the country in next 12 to 18 months. The expansion is a part of its medium-term plan of opening 3,000 Domino's stores globally. The food services player also mentioned that for this reason, 900 rupees crore capital expenditure will be funded entirely via internal accruals over the aforementioned period. Jubilant Foodworks Limited is an Indian food service company based in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, which holds the master franchise for Domino's Pizza in India, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, for Popeyes in India, Bangladesh, Nepal and Bhutan, and also for Dunkin' Donuts in India. Steel manufacturer Tata Steel has set up a Center for Innovation in Mobility at the Indian Institute of Technology, Madras Research Park here, to develop application technologies for current and future mobility platforms, the company said on Wednesday. The center would work closely with academia and the mobility industry. It has facilities for computer-aided design and engineering, experimental roll forming, dynamic dent test system, among others. ADANI Green Energy arm ADANI Renewable Energy Holding 2 Limited will acquire 50% equity in SL Surya Urja Company of Rajasthan Limited from SL Infra Projects for 15 rupees crore. ADANI Renewable Energy Holding 2 Limited has entered into a binding term sheet with SL Infra Projects Limited on January 17, 2023 to this effect, ADANI Green Energy said in a regulatory filing. The remaining 50% of the equity shares will continue to be held by the government of Rajasthan. Hisar Metal Industries in daily timeframe is trading around 184 points with a change of 15.85% and is trading with a net volume of around 620.688 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 149.75, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 81.38. An RSI of above 50 may indicate that the stock is in overbought region. Goldstone Tech in daily timeframe is trading at 53.75 points with a change of 6.7% and is trading with a net volume of 132.218 thousand shares. The share price is trading around its moving average 46.95. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 59.35. Jindal Stainless in daily timeframe is trading at around 260 points with a change of 6.8% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.161 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 242.05. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 68.99, which is above RSI benchmark, indicating that the stock is around overbought region. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.